Where's Mama? Are you going over? Uh-oh, there she goes. I'm not sure you can keep chewing your fingers and get over the wall. What do you think? What are you gonna do now? Huh? Can you get it? Oh my gosh. Wow, Molly. Yay! Can you roll over? You're out. Now can you roll over? What do you think, baby? There you go. Big girl. Look at you. Get that arm up. Molly, you did it. You did it. There's my girl. Wow. And we're back to sucking our hand.